Hi, my name is Oliver. This is probably going to be one of the worst videos you've ever seen, but bear with me anyway as we talk through some of the key points. So welcome, please take your shoes off, make yourself comfortable and enjoy a moment of reality creation and manifesting dream relationships. So who here would like to manifest their dream relationship? Give me a show of hands. Who here would like to manifest a dream relationship within an existing relationship? Give me a show of hands. So the agenda for this quick video today is just to take you through one of the key areas of manifesting your dream relationship. So the big juicy chunk that I'm going to give you today is we're going to talk about clarity and how clarity can improve the manifestation process for your dream relationship. Save that for later. So I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I understand the situation that you're going through. I understand the areas in terms of balance, harmony and ease that you desire within your relationship as well. And that's exactly why I'm here. And that's how I can help. So what we're going to talk about today is clarity and how clarity can really improve your relationship. So first of all, clarity. When you want to go somewhere, you have to have an idea of the direction that you want to travel in. If you want to go on holiday, you have to understand which destination do I want to go in and how am I going to get there. Without those ideas, you're just at the hands of fate and you're just going to float around. You wouldn't take a boat out without an idea of where you want to go to. So you have to have clarity about where you want to go, the direction of travel that you want to go in. If you don't have clarity, how will you know A, where you're going, B, what type of person you want to meet, and C, the type of person that you have to become in order to meet the person that you desire? So we all have our limitations when we arrive on this planet. We get indoctrinated into society by friends, by family, by school, by TV. All of those things limit us into our ability to move forward in the direction of travel that we want to go in. And when we're limited, we look at things from a position of lack and limitation rather than from a position of abundance. So it's so important to get clarity on where you want to go, what you want to do, who you want to be, what your dream life will look like as well. So we're in a bit of an instant gratification world at the moment, and it's not conducive to manifesting, to creating your dream life. You place an order on Amazon and it arrives in like 2 days' time. And things like that cause the plateau in your relationship, the plateaus in your life, because your expectations are completely disproportional to how things actually turn out. So you're looking for an instant gratification. You're looking to meet somebody instantly. You're looking to manifest something straight away. You're looking for instant improvements. But you have to let go of that instant gratification process when you're manifesting your dream relationship, because it takes time. It takes time for the mirror world to start reflecting back at you what you've been putting out there. So it's not an instant gratification thing, it's a process. Now, things do manifest quickly. Say you're already in a relationship and you're trying to improve that relationship with some of the tools and techniques that you're able to use to manifest. So that you're already in the relationship, so you've already achieved that aspect of the relationship. So that's already, the saying is the crocodile nearest to the boat. So that crocodile is already right next to the boat. So you've got more of an opportunity there to have some instant results with that relationship because you're already in it. If your goal is a little bit further away from you, then it's going to take a little bit of time. So you're going to have to start coordinating with reality. You're going to have to start defining exactly what you want and come up with a process that you want to get there and start sort of doubling down on that process, those intention steps, in order to take you from point A to point E, for example. But in between that, there's lots of little processes that you've got to go through to get there. And it depends how far away that is, really. So again, just coming back to clarity, in order to manifest that dream relationship, that partner already exists in the variant space of reality. That partner, and you're already in that ideal relationship with them. It is already there, whether it's an existing partner or whether it's a new partner. It's already there. What you've got to do is you've got to find a way to move from this point here to jump up, to jump up, to jump up, and become one with this ideal version of reality. So clarity is an important step, because as you can see, there's a little trajectory that goes up there. And if you don't have clarity, you're still rolling along at this level. So you've got to have clarity in order to move up the lifelines and get to that point up there where you match the partner you desire in the ideal relationship that you want. And anything that's negative on that will drop you down and drop you down and drop you down. It's kind of like a game of snakes and ladders, really. You've got to keep moving up, moving up and moving up and moving up in order to get there. So that's where reality creation comes in, and manifestation. It's about coordinating and redirecting yourself to go up there. But again, without clarity as to what you want and who you have to become and what your ideal dream life looks like, you've no idea what this even looks like. So how are you going to get there? You're setting off on a journey without a map. So you're kind of at the hands of fate, and you're just hoping that at some point you will bump into this person just here. Now, you've got to decide what you're looking for. And even if you do bump into this person here and you haven't defined who that person is, how will you know it's the right one? It's getting clarity on the characteristics that you want in the relationship, getting clarity on the characteristics that you have to become in order to match that. So you merge with those lifelines and those relationships, and you keep moving up the ladder in order to get there. So clarity is so important when it comes to manifesting, when it comes to reality creation, when it comes to moving up those lifelines. Because without it, you're just walking around like a headless chicken without a map, and you're just going from point A to point B. You're getting nudged here, you're getting knocked there, you're out of balance, you're out of whack. Some people are having difficulties, and that energy then is just influencing you. You start reacting and responding, and it all just gets blown up. And before you know it, you've either settled for something that you don't deserve, or you've completely given up. Neither of those are really an option, but society kind of leads you to believe that that is an option, that you have to give up, that you have to quit, or you have to just settle for less than you deserve. Well, I can tell you it's not true. In my own life, in my own relationships, yes, I've had struggles with it. I've had sort of anxiety throughout my life, and as an empath as well, energy can really influence the way I feel and the way I respond. I pick up on it so cleanly and so directly. I think that was me just dropping the mouse there, so apologies for that. But I told you it was going to be a shit video, but thanks for watching anyway. So yeah, as an empath, I pick up on this energy, and it can really kind of influence my behavior as well. So I've had to learn how to find balance in my own life, where I'm not responding and taking it out on other people, or reacting and taking it out on other people, but I'm actually more in control as to who I am and how I'm responding to situations, because you are 100% responsible. You can't change other people, but what you can do is you can respond differently. And in your response, it allows you then to navigate those lifelines and move up, because everything is a positive step up. It's a positive step up to the lifelines, but anything negative, you can kind of swirl back down again. So that's what it's really about, is getting that clarity, that vision, that clear understanding of the direction that you want to go in, who you have to become, and who you want to meet on that journey as well, and what that ideal life really looks like. So I'm going to wrap up the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. If any of this interests you, then please comment at the bottom of this video and let me know that you're interested. And there's obviously a link on my page as well, so you can jump in for a free one-to-one consultation. There's a few places already opened up now, so feel free to jump in, book a call, and let's discuss how we can help you and see if we're a good fit to work together. So again, thank you very much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. I hope it wasn't as bad as I think it was, but thanks again, and take care.